I have here, it's a knife, 40-year-old handles, cutting them off and removing. Simple as that. I have here our rubber handles. There is a right and a left side. No, they both have the grip on both sides. And an Allen key with the rubber push button on the end. The existing one is on. It doesn't slide over unless it's off. Do your best to remove it by sliding out. Then you're able to take the new one, slip on. But it sticks over this much, the black bar. They give you a second set, so in case these get lost. Would glue keep it in? That would be the answer. They don't fit in or lock into place at all. Can you move these things down just a little so you could push this in to put the end caps? That's what you would have to do. The Allen key, you can find them online, what you need to move things over. I'm going to loosen up. Remember the angle, slide it over, push in as far as I can, and tighten up, keeping the same angle the best possible way. And then, with the correct end, I'm able to now tighten up my handles with an angle the way I want. Once secured down, it's not coming off, as seen. But this can come off so you can put the cap on and lock into place. If the screw's in your way, you can rotate it upside down to down over here. You cannot rotate it because it locks into place. So the screw may bother some people by the lip. Before inserting in full, don't lock down. Push the cap on. If the cap don't fit, use your existing one. It's rubber, hardened rubber. Don't bang your hand. Once it's secured on and into place, then tighten down again. Once all the bolts are tightened down, that cap should stay into place and not fall out. You now have your handles that may need to be readjusted during riding. Hard to do when you got the right tools and know what you're doing, and this is my first time doing on this bike, over 40 years of age, replacing the parts like so. Enjoy your handlebars, a budget bar indeed. And they will get a little dirty, a little scuffed up, but they are a good handlebar.